In this video, we will learn how to solve logarithmic equation. Equation of this nature, we have to express them in index form before we can solve them. So let's start with number 1. Log s squared minus 8 to the base 5 equal to 0. From the statement of logarithm that says log p to the base a, if for example is equal to s, it means a to the power of s is equal to p. So when you have a number in logarithm form, you can change it to index form. That is, the base in logarithm raised to this should be equal to the number itself. So if we apply it here, that means x squared minus 8 will be equal to 5 to the power of 0. And any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. That means if s squared minus 8 is equal to 1. And s squared minus 8, taking 1 rather to this side, it becomes minus 1 equal to 0. Hence, s squared minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9 is equal to 0. And 9 is a perfect square, so I can express that as 3 squared equal to 0. Applying difference of 2 squared, the difference of 2 squares is a squared minus b squared, for example, is a plus b bracket a minus b. What does that mean? If we expand this bracket, we arrive at this. That is what we mean by difference of 2 squared. So if I apply it here, it means I will have s plus 3 bracket s minus 3 equal to 0. Hence, either s plus 3 is equal to 0 or s minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, s is negative 3 or positive 3. And that is that for question number 1. Question number 2, let me do it here. I have log s squared plus 6s plus 11 to base 4 equal to 1 over 2. Again, expressing this in index form, I will have s squared plus 6s plus 11 equal to 4 to the power of half. And from the law of indices, we know that any number to the power of half, a to the power of half, for example, is square root of a. Square root of 4 is 2. That means s squared plus 6s plus 11 is equal to 2. Taking 2 to this side, I will have s squared plus 6s plus 11 minus 2 equal to 0. 11 minus 2 is 9. Therefore, s squared plus 6s plus 9 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation, so let's solve it by factorization. S squared times 9 is 9s squared. 2 factors of 9s squared that give us this middle term 6s will be 3x and 3x. 3s plus 3s is 6s, and 3s times 3s is 9s squared. So we replace the middle term with factors. 3s plus 3s plus 9 equal to 0. Grouping it 2 by 2, so I'll have x into x plus 1, that is the first pair. Then this second pair, 3 is common. into s plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, s plus 3, which is a common factor, this and this, and then this one will group it together, s plus 3 equal to 0. When the factors are the same like this, s plus 3, we can say s plus 3 is equal to 0 twice. Since the factors are the same, or the pairs are the same, therefore s is equal to -3 twice. That's it for the second question. Let's move on to the final question, which says log what is that? S squared minus 8s plus 18. That's question number 3. Log s squared minus 8s plus 18 to base 8 is equal to 1 over 3 to base 8 equal to 1 over 3. If we express this in index form, we have s squared minus 8s plus 18 equal to 8 to the power of 1 over 3, meaning s squared minus 8s plus 18 is equal to 8 to the power of 1 over 3 is cube root of 8. And cube root of 8 is a number that multiplies itself 3 times to give us 8. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. That means 2 multiply itself 3 times to give us 8. Hence, the cube root of 8 is 2. Now, s squared minus 8s plus 18, bringing 2 to this side, it becomes minus 2 equal to 0. And then s squared minus 8s, 18 minus 2 is 16 equal to 0. When solving this by factorization method, s squared multiplied by 16s is 16s squared. 2 factors of 16s squared that can add up to this middle term, negative 8x. That should be negative 4s and negative 4s. Factors of 16 is 4, or 4s, 4s. But because we're looking for a negative factor here, both of them have to be negative. When this is added to this, we'll get this. And when we multiply them, we'll get this. So replacing the middle term, this negative 8s, with these factors, we'll have n plus 16 equal to 0. I'm going to group it 2 by 2. I have s squared minus 4x and minus 4s minus 16 equal to 0. This plus changed to minus because of the bracket we introduced, so that when we remove the bracket, minus times minus should equal to plus. In the first bracket, s is common. I have x minus 4. In the second bracket, minus 4 and s minus 4 equal to 0. Have a common factor s minus 4 and another one again, s minus 4, like pairing this together, equal to 0. The pairs are the same, so s minus 4 equal to 0 twice. Hence, s is equal to 4 twice. So that is what I have for you in this video. I hope you found it useful. If you do, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel so you get notified for new video. Thank you.